constrain this sketch both dimensionally and geometrically. So to create this sketch, so first I should go for the Fusion software, click on sketch, click on this front plane. Now you come down to this circle and I will draw a circle of diameter 20. That is the outer one. That is the radius 20. So I will go for circle, select this, and I will go for dimension. Take this dimension as 40 diameter. And then I'll go for coincident, select on this with reference to this. Okay. Then the next thing is I want to create this circle, which is the radius 13. So I will go for circle, select this, and I will go for dimension and go to radius 13 means 26 is the diameter, and go to constraint, then go to concentric, select on this with reference to this. Then the next thing is I want to create this circle. So this circle has got the radius 6. Okay. So here I will go for a circle, select on this and go to dimension, go to this, diameter is 12. And then go to constraint, go to concentric, select on this with reference to this. Okay. Now we have all the 3 circles which are dimensionally and geometrically constrained. Now the next thing is I want to create this particular profile now. So to do that, I will just go for create, go to slot, click on center point arc. Select on this center point and I will select some arbitrary point here. Then I will create this slot. Once you do that, now I want to constrain this sketch. So basically what I want is I want this horizontal line, and from there I want to draw this inclined line and then give this angle as 60 degrees. So to do that, I will go for a line, go for construction, you select on this and draw a horizontal line of any length, and then from line select on this and I will create this line. Now I want to dimensionally constrain this one. The radius is 4. I'll go for dimension, select this and make this as radius 4. Then I want to draw this radius is 30. So I'll go for dimension, select this and give the dimension as radius 30. After that, I will go for dimension, then click on this and click on this. You give the angle as 60 degrees. So give the angle as 60. Okay. Once you do that, now I want to go for the dimension. From here to here it is 90 degrees. I'll go for line, select this center with reference to this center. And these two should be perpendicular. That is the requirement. I will go for perpendicular. This line has to be perpendicular to this. So in other words, I have given the perpendicularity now, and then I'll go for dimension between this and this. The angle is automatically it becomes 90 degrees. Okay. So once you do that, now we have this profile, and then I want to offset this profile now. So before that, we will complete this particular portion. So create this particular portion. First, I want to create this one. So I will go for slot, go to slot. Okay, go to center slot. Now remove the construction. I will select some arbitrary point, and from there I will select this one. Okay. Once you do that, now I want to have the constraint for this. I will take this dimension as radius 4. So automatically this becomes the dimension is 8. Okay. Then I want to have from the center of this to center of this it is 40. So I'll go for dimension, select this and select this and give the dimension as 40. Then from here, the length is 57. So you take this length as 57. Okay. I will go for fit. Then I will go for this one. Similarly, I will take this somewhere here. Okay, I will just come down to this. Now I want to go for offset. This distance is 20. Okay, so since I want to take this 20, I will go for uh, slot. Again, I'll go for create and I will go for a slot. Okay, click on center to center slot. I will select this point and I will select this point and I will draw this. So here I want this dimension to be 57. Yes, select this. Okay, then I want this the overall distance is 20. So that means from here it is 10. So I will go for dimension. I will take the radius as 10. Okay, then I want this point to be coincident with this one. Yes. Now we have the entire profile has been constructed now. Then afterwards, I want to draw this line and on this side also. And then it should go like this. So now I want to offset this by, this is radius 4 and this is radius 9. So that means from here to here it is 9. 4 means it is 5. Okay. So here I will go for offset. Offset, select this one and take the radius as 5. Okay. Now you just click on enter. Okay. Once you do that, now we have this line. Then I need to concentrate on this side of the profile now. I will just go for a line and draw a line from this point along the horizontal direction. Okay. Then I want to trim this portion and this should go along with this. So here I will remove the constraints and dimensions. Now I will go for a circle. You select some arbitrary circle now. So what is the dimension? The dimension is radius 5. I will go for dimension. I will go for diameter is 10. Okay. Then I want this circle to be tangent to this. And similarly, this circle should be tangent to this. Okay. It will be tangential to these two. Okay. Next, I will go for trim. Okay. So once you go for trim, so the circle will come, it is in this fashion. Okay, I will go for trim, select on this side and I will select on this side. Similarly on this side. So similarly on this side. Now, so once you get this, now we have this side of the profile. Similarly, I want to take onto this side now. So again, I will go for circle, select some arbitrary point and I will go for dimension, select this as radius 10. Then I want a constraint go tangential to this circle with reference to this and again this circle with reference to this. So now I want to trim this portion. You will just go to trim on this side and on this side. So similarly on this side now. Okay. Now we have this entire profile. Okay. So on this side we are getting it. Okay. So now we have this entire profile has been constructed here on this side. That is dimensionally and constraints, both dimensionally and as well as the constraints. We have done this. Okay. Now the next thing is I want to take this line forward now. I will go for line, select this point on this side. Okay. Or can we extend this? Let us say I will go for extend, select this line. Yeah. Then once you get this, similarly, I want to go for radius 5. Go to fillet, select on this side and on this side, the radius is 5. End. Okay. So we have this entire profile has been constructed. So here, so this is how we will be able to create this thing by using both dimensionally and geometrically constraint. So This is what actually we are getting the same profile on this side also. So you go for constraints and dimensions. I will switch on. Now I want to have this radius is 4. Yes. I want this dimension. It is radius is 9. Enter. Similarly, everything has been totally constrained now. So I will just go for constraints, remove the constraints. And this is the profile which I want. Dimensionally, I need to constrain this. So you take this and you place it accordingly. Okay. On this side, this is diameter 10, that is radius. Okay. On this side, it is radius 9. So on this side, it is radius 4. This will be having radius 30. I will go for fit. Now on this side, you come on this side here. Take this side as radius 4 and this is 57. Okay. And since I have an overlapping line, so that is the reason why it is giving in both the directions. Okay. Now I'll go for fit. Okay. So this is how you will be able to constrain this sketch both dimensionally and as well as geometrically. Okay.